Es geht weiter mit dem sogenannten Vorhalbfinale hier im Spengler Cup. Und Ambri Piotta hat gewonnen gegen Team Kanada, sind somit also weiter. Der HC Davos ist ohnehin schon im Halbfinale, genauso wie Salvador Live Ufa. Team Kanada mit raus, für die ist das Turnier gelaufen. Dann haben wir also noch Tuku, TPS und Trinek oder Sinek oder so, wie man es auch immer ausspricht. Ich mache es sowieso falsch. Ich glaube, ich spiele für Tuku TPS. Einfach so, just for fun, keine Ahnung warum. Spiel starten, ja gerne. Ja, ihr könnt es auch simulieren, aber ganz ehrlich. Ist ja auch ein gutes Training. So. Dafür das Halbfinale mit den Spannenden, da könnte sogar sein, dass, ja, tritt die Schweiz gegen Ambri Piotta an. Die Schweiz sage ich schon. Tritt der HC Davos gegen Ambri Piotta an.
Welcome back here on EA Sports along with Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski, looking forward to this one. Both teams facing elimination here in this knockout round matchup tonight here at the Spengler Cup.
That's why the round-robin portion of the tournament is so important. You can put yourself, like the pool winners, through to the semifinals on a bye. Otherwise, you're in the knockout stage.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go.
Und damit lasst die Spiele beginnen.
We are underway here at the Spengler
So,
Cup, where
mir persönlich eigentlich egal, wer gewinnt
for
hier.
both squads.
Mir geht es mehr um ein bisschen Erfahrung sammeln.
Who's got the puck against the half wall? TBS is on the attack.
Aua!
Loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Takes the feed. Larson's got it in the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. And now he angles it across to Filppula.
Du kannst sagen, kann bitte mal jemand vom Tor aufstellen?
Great save to stay with it. Takes the puck behind the net.
They've totally controlled the puck here on this shift. Now they've worn the opposition down. Eventually, you get a scoring chance.
Okay, sollte eigentlich ein bisschen anders laufen.
Trinich is across the blue line. Turku's gained possession along the boards. Larson's got the puck in his own zone. From the neutral zone now. Oh, I think he wants that one back.
Didn't miss it, but
Put it off the post. Right on the doorstep. And he makes the save. Takes the feed after
Ja, ist zum Angriff trainieren, aber reichlich Zeit, merkt man gerade.
Bukarts plays the puck. Chance in front. Oh, what a save in front. Save made by the goalie.
stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
And a great save. Here's a chance to set up now. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Receives the pass. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point.
Hey,
Good
fuck.
play in the defensive zone. The Steelers take it along the wing. Nice pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Carries it in. Slides the puck over. Comes up with the stop.
Danke.
Up along the wing. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And there's the save. Trinich has got the puck inside the defensive zone. Handles the puck. Here's a chance. Here's a shot. Denied by the blocker.
Was?
Handles the pass from his goalie.
Okay, sah für mich ganz so aus, als wäre er irgendwie durchs Tor hindurchgegangen.
Takes the feed at the point. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Stopped by the goaltender. TBS has got the puck in the defensive end. They've got numbers. Denied by the goaltender. The Steelers have
Leider
the
keiner
ball
nah genug
in.
dran.
Along the wing up the neutral zone.
Oh, nein!
Down the official's arm signaling for a
Auf die
penalty.
Taste.
Here's the official call. We got a minor penalty coming up
For
here on this
sure,
one.
James. I mean, this call was going to be made. You could see the
Oder wie man auch sagen könnte,
Now
unnötiges
they're gonna
Foul.
have to serve 2 minutes.
Trinich's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone.
Penalty. 19 minutes, 47 seconds.
Shot! Beautiful glove stop on that one. That concludes the first period. Really, both teams still filling each other out here as we are still scoreless.
Hey fans, don't forget to pick up your team calendars. They're available in section 144 at the team kiosk.
Both teams heading down the tunnels. We'll take a quick breath ourselves and be back for the second period.
Ja, also das Angriffsspiel und so, vor allem das Passspiel hat mir eigentlich gut gefallen. War mehr irgendwie das Problem, naja, mit dem Abschluss. Und die Defense natürlich.
Both teams are back at center ice and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Turku's penalty killers have their work cut out for them here, but a nice start to the period as they win the draw. Larson's got it against the boards.
Was?
Through center along the wing. It's a 2-on-1. From against the wall, it's centered out. On the doorstep, here's a backhand, and that's a paddling from the goaltender.
Sponsor bei Siemens. Oh Mann. Und auch Schenkerstoren, auch sehr beliebt.
Filppula's won it off the face.
Danke. Au.
Oh, that's a good hit. Find some space in the corner.
Danke.
TPS is going to be able to kill a few seconds off now with the puck. On the attack along the boards. The Steelers can't convert on the power play. Both sides are back to even strength. Picked up along the boards by Filppula. Trinich has got the puck along the wall. Turku's got control of it now here in the offensive end. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Stopped by the goaltender. Sends a pass over. Moves it around along the half wall. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. Here's an odd man rush. Shuts him down. And off the save, that one goes into the
Echt
crowd.
ein guter Torhüter, muss man sagen, ey.
Budish is able to use a really good angle to cut the ice off, and he lays a solid hit against the boards.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Takes it across the blue line. Handles it along the blue line. Into the corner now. Takes the feed. Moves the puck along the half wall. And a delayed penalty coming up as he got
Okay.
tripped up. There's the stoppage of
Sah aber irgendwie
play. Let's
seltsam
see what
aus.
the officials say. Budish has been nabbed for tripping. Played with fire, he got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and
Ah, okay.
sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
As we're about to drop the puck, the power play unit back out onto the ice for another opportunity.
Im Replay war's klar, aber vorher war's irgendwie leicht crazy.
They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away. Not let it affect the current power play.
Lets it go and makes the save. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a shot. Beats the goalie, but can't beat the post.
Der wäre so schön gewesen.
Quick shot. Nice defensive robbery
No.
with the stick.
Das,
Blocker save.
ja, jetzt geht doch zum Back hin. Alter.
Takes the pass from the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. Point-to-point pass. Blocked in traffic. TPS has got a chance to work the transition game now shorthanded.
Nein, dann Ruhe.
Steelers get nothing here on this power play. We're back to even strength. Comes up with the stop.
All a good power play is about 20%, James. That one falls in the other 80%. They don't get it done, the power play expires.
Dem Spiel sehr schwierig, ein Tor zu schießen. Warum überhaupt? Liegt's im Turku?
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. From his own end, he moves it up ahead. With possession along the wall. Scrum ensues along the boards. Great
Danke.
defensive play to come up with the puck. Carries the puck up through center. Here's a chance. Stopped by the blocker.
Mann, da versuch's mal mit dem Abprall und dann stehen die einfach irgendwo und nirgendwo. Aber nicht da, wo sie sollten.
Up along the wing. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Turku's got a hold of it along the wall.
Okay, was der jetzt gemacht hat da hinten,
From
keine
his own
Ahnung.
end, he picks up the puck. TPS is looking to break out. Takes the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Larson stick handling in his own zone.
Okay, neu aufbauen. So. Ja.
Puck lands right back onto the blade.
Wieso nimmt ihn keiner?
Trinich has got a hold
Fahren
of it
einfach alle
against
weg.
the wall. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. Goalie plays it up. Carries it across the line. Here's a shot with the stop. Back at the point, they set it up. Snapper from the slot. There's another stop.
0,1 Sekunden willst du mich verarschen. Da gehst du keinen Angriff mehr hin.
Larson's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get level.
Ein sehr, sehr verrücktes Spiel. Ja, wow, hat es total gelohnt.
Willemans Recycling is a proud sponsor.
Aber ja, sind halt die Regeln.
Willemans Recycling recycles enough paper to save more than 41 million trees. If you'd like to know more about their services, check out the website.
Third period just around the corner. Ray and I will be ready to bring all the action in moments.
Ja, wenn es so weitergeht, sind wir bald schon die erste Verlängerung im Spiel.
Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. It's been a tight affair to this point. Third period is now underway. Filppula's got it along the wing. Great hit on the play. The Steelers gain control of the puck against the wall. Gives it right back. Turku's got it behind the net.
Wow.
Trinich has got the puck along the boards. TPS has got it in their own zone.
TPS. Wie sie immer so sagen.
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides it back to the blue line. Moves the puck along the half wall. Pass right in front. Deflected away.
Danke.
Nice defensive use of the stick there. Quick feed to Filppula.
Alter, sind ein bisschen viele hier.
Up at the point now. And makes the routine save.
So, zumindest mal ein Bulli im gegnerischen Drittel. Darauf könnte man aufbauen.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone.
Mann, ich treffe das scheiß Tor nicht mehr.
And you're not even really aiming
Was ist
to shoot it,
los?
want it in the top half of the net. He ends up shooting it a few inches too high.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. We got a penalty
Hä?
coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. And he's heading to the box
Aber
for two.
der, den ich gesteuert habe, war der
Such a
Vorderste.
bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot.
Ah, der hintere hat auch mit, okay.
Now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Oh, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. Power play unit going back to work.
was
Sometimes you have
nervig,
to
ey.
have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone
Wow.
very well.
Alter, das ist schon jetzt machen, ein Eigentor.
They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
Over the line.
Okay, jetzt will ich ein bisschen zu viel.
Sends the pass over. He scores!
Now the power play
Ja, das war schön
they move
rausgespielt.
the puck nicely, and they're able to capitalize on the extra man.
Chapeau, Chapeau. Verdammt nochmal!
Power play's job is to create shots, and if you can create them from the most dangerous areas of the ice, you're going to be successful. Dead center, in the slot, he doesn't miss.
The Steelers have gone ahead here in this third period.
They'll want to continue to be aggressive though, James. They don't have enough of a cushion to sit back.
Puck grab by Larson.
Power play by number
Here they come on the attack.
Marcinko, assisted
A chance on goal with the stop.
by number 88, Eric Herman.
Ja, jetzt heißt es angreifen.
58 seconds.
Turku's failed to convert on scoring opportunities and lots of them here in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. There it is, it's in!
I don't think it's going to matter, James. I get a look at this immediately. I think no goal. This was waved off hard
Was?
immediately.
Torhüterbehinderung oder was?
Change in the score as that goal was waved off and we are ready to drop the puck again. Face off here in the neutral zone and we are back underway. Along the half wall with the puck. Puts it to the front of the net. Here's a backhand. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Smart defensive play there. Centering pass. Perfect.
So, mach es halt so. Jetzt zählt's aber.
Man, they would have liked this a long time ago, James. Even
Mann,
if
Mann,
they're
Mann.
really trying to punch through, they finally get one by the goaltender. That shot just overpowers the goaltender. He gets a little piece of it, but he can't stop it.
War natürlich gefährlich, zwischen zwei gegnerischen Spielern durchzuspielen, aber hey.
TBS has got a little mojo back on their step after that goal here in the third.
You work and you try and keep yourself light, you keep yourself aggressive, but if nothing happens for you, it gets pretty heavy. They feel good.
Ja, natürlich.
That's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
And he sprints to the bench to get the extra attacker out on the ice. Bristling in close. Beautiful stop with the stick.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Looks like tripping the call.
Na gut, komm.
Sometimes they're lazy, sometimes they're just bad.
Wir haben
luck.
schon so oft gesehen,
Another
ey.
power play opportunity coming up here.
I guess they can look at their power play, James, and say we have had some success tonight. But really, for the most part, it's looked like 5 straight.
He scores! They take the
Was?
lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand.
Sind übrigens beide Tore in Überzahl gefallen, ne? Wollen wir mal ganz kurz anmerken. Ich hoffe, es war ein Abpraller. Ich hoffe, es war ein Torhüter, weil er wäre sonst ziemlich blamabel.
Really effective power play there. They move the puck around and they're able to find him right in the middle of the slot.
Ja, ziemlich sicher. Hat immer in die Flasche runtergeschossen. Der Schuss war gar nicht so hoch, der hier. Ja, okay. Alter, wer einfach richtig steht. Okay, ne, da kann der Torhüter nichts machen. Also plötzlich so, oh, wegspringt, keine
Greenwich's
Chance.
offense has given themselves a
Mann!
goal lead here in
Die
the
scheiß
third.
Strafen.
Now do you sit back and protect it?
That's always dangerous. You invite trouble by the puck being in your zone. Try and play it in the offensive 100 feet as much as you can.
Oh, couldn't finish the job. What an excellent opportunity, Ray.
They worked their way into good shape. He's just not able
Hey,
to
ich wollte
get the goalie.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. With possession along the wall. Takes a shot. That goes wide. Turku's gained possession along the boards.
Aus dem Weg, Schiri, ich hab's eilig.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that slides
Ich wollte gerade sagen,
right out
kannst bitte mal jemand anbieten? Warte nochmal zurück, hey.
Less than a minute to go now here in regulation.
Wo fährt er hin?
Steelers going to work on offense. Can't get it to go. Moves the puck over to Filppula. Pass stolen in the open ice.
Alter, was machen meine Mitspieler?
Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty.
Ja, ist mir auch
coming up right
scheißegal.
here.
Ganze.
The arms
Die
up
laufen einfach nicht aus. Die sollen einfach da hingehen, wo sie anspielen können. Aber nee. Alter, das kann doch wohl nicht wahr sein, ey.
Coaches will tell you, be careful with your stick, but you're trying to get the puck. I don't think a lot of times they do it intentionally.
Man advantage unit steps inside the face-off circle with another golden opportunity in this critical time of the game.
Windler, 2 minutes for tripping.
Solid hit on that play. Shot from out of nowhere. What a stop.
Könnt ihr jetzt noch einen Torhüter schnell rausnehmen? Teams verwalten. Schnell einen Torhüter raus.
Clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Ich meine, ich liege eh hinten. Es sind noch 30 Sekunden, jetzt kann den Torhüter echt rausnehmen.
Inside the offensive end, the net is empty. They've got the extra attacker out. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Trinich's
Ich wollte gerade sagen, ich brauche nur eine gute Torchance.
Strong defensive effort. TPS has got the puck along the wall. Takes a hit, he goes down to the ice and coughs up the puck. Big play inside the defensive zone. Carries it in. Fires into the empty net. Oh, what a close save. No complacency in this team as they advance now.
Ja.
to the Davos to the semifinals.
Ich weiß auch nicht. Gewisse Dinge, wo ich sagen muss, meine Fehler. Generell so Strafen nehmen natürlich. An Situationen, wo ich sagen muss, ey, liebe Teammitglieder, wenn ich den Puck habe, ich hinter mir nach vorne stürme, dann müsst ihr auch vorne sein. Und euch in allen Ecken, in allen Flügeln anbieten. Weil sonst ist es einfach scheiße, wie soll ich denn sonst da... Ja, ist halt so. Aber jetzt vor allem im dritten Drittel, vor allem in den letzten 5 Minuten sehr gut gemerkt bei TPS Turku, da war irgendwie überhaupt nichts mehr drin. Aber ja. Auch hier wieder mal muss man sagen, alles völlig realistisch, auch das Resultat und so. Für mich hingegen ist jetzt noch ein bisschen was zu tun, denn wir stehen so in Halbfinals und nachher im Finale, sprich es sind noch maximal 3 Spiele zu tätigen, beziehungsweise 3 Parts noch. Und bisher haben wir immer auf Halbprofi gespielt und ich will eigentlich gerne am nächsten Spiel auf Profi spielen. Aber dafür muss ich noch ein bisschen am Angriff feilen. Die Verteidigung geht eigentlich mehr oder weniger. Aber ja, generell. Ja, und das mit Strafen natürlich auch, aber ja. Man merkt es übrigens auch auf Profi, wenn der Gegner auch auf Profi ist, dass er dann ein bisschen so mehr agiert, wie er im Real Life agieren würde. Und gleichzeitig sind auch meine Teammitglieder, die ich nicht kontrolliere, sind dann auch ein bisschen intelligenter auf Profi-Stelle. Also insofern würde es eigentlich passen. So, Tag simulieren. Ja, für sie ist der Tag vorbei. Also Davos hatte Pause, dann machen wir ganz kurz einen Tag simulieren und stehen tatsächlich im Halbfinale. Ach du Scheiße. Ambri Piotr gegen den HC Davos und danach halt, ja. Salavat, Julaev, Ufa. Also sprich die Russen gegen die Tschechen, wa? Was ich interessant finde. Hier nächstes Match spielen, also da oben steht eigentlich immer, steht hier jetzt immer zuerst Ambri gegen HCD, aber unten, also unten in der Mitte, wo steht der Halbfinale, da sieht man HC Davos gegen Ambri Piotr. Also zuerst Davos und dann Ambri. Okay. Das Symbol im Kalender ist auch ein bisschen irreführend. Ja, für die Beine ist vorbei. Das ist so. Naja. Freunde, wie es weitergeht, das sehen wir dann also das nächste Mal. Statistik Playoff Spielplan. Finale und Sieger. Vielleicht wird es sogar. Oh. Verzeihung. Kann man gar nicht mehr rechtzeitig wegdrehen. Ja, vielleicht wird es sogar Final HC Davos gegen Salavat Julaev Ufa. Schweiz gegen Russland ist sogar irgendwie wahrscheinlicher, je nachdem wer heute gewinnt. Also ein Schweizer Duell wird sowieso ein Teilnehmer im Finale wird Schweiz sein. Das schweizerische Abkunft, seine Frage ist bloß welcher. Das erfahren wir in der nächsten Folge. In diesem Sinne, danke fürs Zusehen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao zusammen.